Hello, I am thrilled to introduce our speaker, Kevin Moore, Senior Manager of Pharmacopeial Collaboration with United States Pharmacopeia. Welcome.
Hello, and welcome to the 2020 PDA Pharmacopeia Conference, occurring virtually from Tuesday, September 29th through October 1st. My name is Kevin Moore, and I am the Senior Manager for Pharmacopeial Collaboration at the United States Pharmacopeia, and I am proud to be co-chairing this conference along with my colleague, Dr. Mark Wiggins. Our conference will explore the intersection of global pharmacopeias, regulators, and industry in responding to health crises. The global COVID-19 pandemic has challenged traditional approaches to the development, manufacture, and delivery of new and existing medicines. It has created unprecedented pressures on those involved in bringing quality medicines to patients worldwide. In this crisis, pharmacopeias around the world, in partnership with regulators and industry, have been working to foster science and health-based solutions to ensure that patients continue to have access to quality medicines and dietary supplements and continue to have trust in these products. This year's Pharmacopeials Conference is PDA's third and the first to be hosted in the United States. To discuss the key issues facing us in this public health crisis, the 2020 PDA Pharmacopeia Conference will bring together perspectives from pharmacopeias, regulatory representatives, and industry scientists. We just heard two moving accounts which included the personal human impacts to the public health crisis, highlighting the urgent need for quality medicines in an environment where drug shortages and a lack of patient access to needed medications remain real risks, and underlying the value that science-based pharmacopeias bring in helping to ensure the quality, safety, and benefit of medicines. We have an exciting program to present over the 3 days. The live portion of our conference will begin with a talk from Dr. Ron Pierre-Vincenzi, Chief Executive Officer of USP, to present USP's pandemic response in helping ensure the supply of quality medicines. Other professionals from the pharmacopeias, industry representatives, and regulators will also discuss how they have maintained timely patient access to medicines during the pandemic, offering lessons about how to maintain drug supply on the first day of our program. On day two, the conference will move into more specific discussions of the development of treatments and vaccines during this public health crisis. Pharmacopeias, regulators, and industry will provide insights into their approaches and how they have maintained focus on the end goal of protecting the public health. This session of the conference will enable attendees to recognize the progress being made towards discovering new therapies and supportive treatments and the race to find new preventative medicines and vaccines. The final day will provide two panel discussions drawing on prominent experts in pharmaceutical, regulatory, and pharmacopeia science. The first panel will tackle the issue of maintaining transparent and accurate communications in these challenging times. When there is an overload of information, it can be difficult to assess the accuracy of the information being received. The panel will also discuss how pharmacopeias, regulators, and industry can share best practices and communicate critical information to the public, even when face-to-face communication is impossible. The second and final panel will begin with a prioritized wish list of global harmonization in a post-pandemic world, presented by Dr. Tina Morris, Executive Director of the American Association of Pharmaceutical Scientists, and will continue by bringing together the learnings from prior sessions of the conference, discussing possible actions to enable even more effective outcomes for future public health crises. On behalf of my co-chair, Dr. Wiggins, and all of the members of the planning committee, I would like to welcome you to the 2020 PDA Pharmacopeia Conference. I hope that through your participation in this conference that you'll be able to learn more about the exciting and critical work being done by scientists to help ensure the continued supply of safe and effective medicines for patients worldwide, and to better understand the role of pharmacopeias in supporting the global supply chain for quality medicines. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kevin. I hope everyone enjoyed the presentations. We look forward to having you join us live Tuesday, September 29.